Bangalore, world's fastest growing tech hub. Mumbai is on the 6th place, according to report. Bangalore has emerged world's fastest growing mature tech ecosystem since 2016, when Mumbai coming in the 6th place. According to Dealroom.com data analysis by London and Partners, investment in Bangalore grew 5.4 times from world's $1.3 billion in 16 to $7.2 billion in 2020. The report says Bangalore also ranked 6th for the most tech venture capitalization investment globally. 47% find WhatsApp's update privacy policy unacceptable. After the recent update of WhatsApp privacy policy in India, 47% responded of an in-short poll said that they wouldn't accept it and they will be looking for alternatives to messaging apps. Over 39% responded said they will accept the policy as they aren't aware and suitable alternatives. Around 14% responded they didn't see any privacy concern and said they will continue using the WhatsApp. Google completes 2.1 billion acquisition Fitbit. Google on Thursday said it has completed the acquisition of Fitbit over a year after deal with first announcement. The European Union, which approved the $2.1 billion deal in December, has raised concern over Google's market power and used the people's health data in target of advertisement. Fitbit co-founder James retired that today said Fitbit would continue to be device agnostic. Apple invests 60 million to back entrepreneurs of color. Apple on Wednesday announced investment worth 60 million for the project aimed at challenging system racism in US. The iPhone maker will invest 35 million in two funds which will be fund several companies with focus of entrepreneurship of color and minority owner firms. Apple will also invest 25 million in innovative hub of historically black colleges and universities. As promised, Elon Musk on Tesla's Indian entry. Elon Musk has tweeted as promised in response to a new article about Tesla's entry into India. His response came after it was revealed that Tesla registered a new Indian subsidiary in Bangalore and named it 3 directors. Last year, Elon Musk tweeted next year for sure in the response to a user inquiring about Tesla's Indian entry. That was about the tech news of the day. If you liked the video, then hit the subscribe button. Keep watching our videos. Share your views in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share the video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching the video.